So hello guys, today I am going to add the balls animation and the you lost scripts. So let's start. So I will start with the ball animation. So first go on the ball sprite and find the when green flag clicked script. So first I will show where we left on the part 1. We left on the player's movement and the ball movement. So now for a cool effect for the ball, I will just go forever create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, we have to set the ghost effect to 0. Means it will show and set size to 100%. It is important as we have to also change its size for the very cool looking effect. Or we can, if you want, you can just leave the size, but I love the size. With the size it is just looking very perfectly best. So here we will change its size by -10. So why we are repeating it 10 times? As you note that 10 tens are 100, so here they are setting it to 100. So from 100, so we have to just repeat 10 times and it by -10. So we are minusing 10 by negative times. So 100 minus 10 times would be 0. And the ghost effect will just go to 100 and it would delete the just hide that. So now we can see it is ending up with a cool effect. But wait, why has the effect stopped? Yeah, I know it. It stopped because it is reaching the 300 clone limit. Means there are 300 clones. Scratch can't process so much codes from 300. So I have one more trick. We can just at the ending of the scripts, we can delete this clone. And after deleting this clone, everything is fine. And wow, what a nice effect. And see, if we are bouncing, then also the clones are only 10 because we are repeating 10 times. And repeat 10 times and the clone is just that they will create the clone 10 times. So yeah, this much for the balls animation. So I will just do that. It would go on the x0 and the y is -160. So yeah, now it will go always go over here and here. So I will just wrap a if around this all key movements. If not if not touching if not touching color, the black color. If not touching color, black. So this much. So just remove that because that is an error that we can't move. So go to the you lost script. Just let me rename the script you lost. So you can draw this. It is easy. I have just written a text that's name is you lost and just changed it from sans serif from handwriting. So if you want, you can do your own text. So I love circling all the handwriting, but from this types of things I use handwriting. So yeah, in this first we will do when flag clicked, hide, and just drag out when I receive. So when I receive browns and change this to, so we have no more messages, so we have to create a message and name it you lost. So yeah, this message will tell that we are losing or we are winning. When I receive you lost, you have to show the sprite. So we have to just show the sprite and go to front layer. Wait 1 second. Stop all. And into the ball sprite, I will duplicate this. It will check after that if the ball is bouncing. So I will create a new sprite and just leave it as a red line. So I will do its x to 0 and y also to 0. So its y is only up till 3. So I will just drag the sprite some low, more low, and yeah, this match is correct. So for something, so we can't just do the its touching color. I will just change it to a blue color. So in the ball sprite, we will just first let me name. So we will name this sprite as loss. So in the ball sprite, if we are touching the color, so just take the color of that. So the blue color, if you are touching color blue, you have to broadcast message you lost. So what will happen here? The ball's animation is coming. But wait a second. If it is touching that color, it is broadcasting you lost. But when we say you lost, we can't prove. So we have to add some more broadcast messages. So when flag clicked, broadcast message start. So start, and then over here we'll broadcast message stop. So I will just do it over here and yeah. So when I receive stop, then just drag the stop all and not in here. Stop other scripts in this sprite means this script will run but not the other scripts, means the moving scripts, etc. And when in here when I receive stops, here also stop other scripts in this sprite. But when will we move? So as we are broadcasting message start, so we can replace here with the when I receive start, and here also all the when green flag clicks with when I receive start. So if we go over here, so we can't move, and it's also deleting its clone. So yeah, this is all for today's videos. Thank you for today's videos, and then bye.